Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to store credit in your Google Play Store. Let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Now from here, click on your profile icon found in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, you need to click on Payments and Subscriptions. Now take note that the only way that you can store credit in your Google Play balance is to redeem code. You can purchase any gift cards in your local retailer or online. You can enter the code here so that you can store a credit in your Google Play Store. But if you don't have any Google Play gift cards, don't worry, we'll have another way. So you just need to click on Payment Methods and add your payment method, like the credit or debit card, or any available payment method in your country. The available payment method of my country, we have PayPal, ShopeePay, GCash, and Maya. It may differ from where you're from. Once you added your account, you can purchase your subscription and it will directly be deducted to your account. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tap on that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!